The Deloitte organisation has recently put out a report that says that despite robots in manufacturing and computers in clerical and office spaces, in the world today we have record low unemployment. And it suggests that the reason why that is so is because we're moving to a more hands-on and skilled and craft-like work instead of repetitious work. And so I'd suggest that our Apprentice of the Year award winners have an extremely bright future in front of them. It's already on the next page. So the nominees are James Hanna, Garner Marine Services. James, yep. You've won the Apprentice of the Year Marine Craft Construction. You're a second-year apprentice at GoTAFE with a strong interest in composites manufacturing. And his boss, Brendan, won the Apprentice of the Year in 1999.
Is he here?
Yep.
Here, yep.
Taking a photo.
Say a few words? One of the important things that you'll have to learn into the future is how to sell yourself. So I'd suggest you work on the public speaking. And Matthew Ruberto from BL Marine, he's won the Apprentice of the Year Marine Craft Construction. And he's doing a Certificate 3 Marine Mechanical Technology. He's apprenticed at Kangan Institute. And Matthew's dad is an auto mechanic, so it runs in the family. Very good. So we've got a photo op with the, we've had the photo op? Yes? Very good. But now what we need to do is to present BIAV's 2019 Industry Apprentice of the Year. There's a certificate, a trophy and a bell. And the winner is inside the envelope.
It's like the Oscars.
Yeah, of course.
All right.
You know how to put on a show.
James.
James. Very good.